Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my carpet cleaning business plan template and show you some of the highlights of that template in about 3 minutes or less. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So in my carpet cleaning business plan template, it does come with a table of contents. Now, obviously, the table of contents is not mind-blowing or earth-shattering events, and you would expect it to be a typical component of any business plan as well as business plan template. The reason I include this in my highlights is that I want to show you all the different sections of my business plan template for carpet cleaning. So the business plan template does come with an executive summary, company description, industry analysis, SWOT analysis, organizational structure, organizational chart, marketing section, funding request section, financial projections, which includes your profit and loss for 12 months broken up monthly, as well as a pro forma income statement annually, broken up annually. The next section I want to talk about is going to be the executive summary. So in the executive summary section, I break it up into 3 segments, which is going to be your carpet cleaning summary. Then you're going to have your target market, your financial highlights, and your funding requests. And for these, anywhere you see yellow, I recommend you go ahead and make sure that information is correct and accurate for your company. Make sure you make the changes to it. Anywhere in yellow and parentheses, that's where you're going to put your information. For example, your company name, your name as a business owner, and so on. Next section is going to be industry research. Anytime you're going to write a business plan for a carpet cleaning company, or heck, any company for that matter, you do want industry research, so I give you a starting point for that. Industry research is going to include a brief overview of the industry, as well as some statistics for the industry as well. For example, revenues, profits, profit margins, businesses, employment, as well as wages. Funding request. The third section that I want to talk about is going to be the funding request. Anytime you start a business, you need a little bit of money to do so. So this is going to tell the reader how much money you need to get this party started, as well as the terms for the loan that you're willing to accept, and the terms for an investor if you're seeking out an investor. Again, anywhere in this information, make sure you change it and update it to reflect your personal needs for your funding. Next section is going to be the industry-specific customizable financial model. So the carpet cleaning business plan template does come with 2 documents. The first document is a Word document, which is the actual business plan, and then it comes with an Excel financial model, which is right here. And the financial model, it allows you to enter your information, for example, number of customers, average price charged per customer. Anywhere in the darker color cells is where you're going to put your information, and once you update this information, then your profit and loss for the next 12 months, as well as your profit or your income statement for the next 5 years will update accordingly. The sections included would be your revenue section, your labor section, startup cost, fixed monthly cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and loan information. So anywhere in the darker color cells, you can change that information to reflect your company. Next thing I include is some tutorials. So I do include some instructional videos, and those are found at my website right here. And you can also purchase the template on this website right here as well. But the 2 tutorials that I include would be the how to use the business plan template, the Word document, and how to use the financial model. And you can view both of those videos on my website before you buy the carpet cleaning business plan template. And then finally, let's wrap it up and sum it up. So if you do buy my carpet cleaning business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, basic financial model, as well as tutorials for both. And then it also offers general tutorials for business plan templates to help you all fill out the various sections in my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits to the template. Keep that in mind. And then also, if you want to have a great conversation as to what's included in my business plan template for carpet cleaning, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation with you. However, if you buy the template, when you buy the template, there is no free phone support to help you fill it in. If you want me to help you fill it in, again, be delighted to do so, but I do charge for my services. And then finally, if you do want to go ahead and buy my carpet cleaning business plan template, the link to do so is right here. And if you don't want to mess around with templates and you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want your darn business plan written for you or your financial projections done for you, I do offer custom business plan writing services, and the link is right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.